Hey guys, it's me, teacher Christine, and I am here with another tutorial for you. I just wanted to give you an inside scoop of what it looks like with how all of my windows are positioned on my screen when I actually give a class. So also some reminders. Before you open your teaching app, you need to open CamTwist first. So we're going to open CamTwist. And I don't need any of these screens other than my preview screen, which is right here. So I'm going to press my preset number 3, which is my webcam. And I'm going to make this much smaller, just so it's kind of like where I click and where I want things to be. So on this side, I have my slides that I'm going to use as my props. Actually, this one's going to be my reward system. And then I have my prop on my iPad. Just make this a little bit bigger for you to see. So this is what's going to be coming on the screen as well. I decided to switch it up. Usually I put the reward system on my iPad, but I wanted to see if this would be a little easier for me today. Okay, so once I have that set up, then I go into my VIP Kid app. It's important to open CamTwist first because that's how VIP Kid picks the camera, and it just tends to run a lot smoother that way. So I'm going to open up my classroom. And then I usually pull this all the way to the left. And then I make it smaller just so it's right there. I don't usually need to see the chat box, but it's there a little bit. If I need to type something in, it's perfect because I can see both my screen and my student's screen. I can still connect to all the slides as well as my reward system. Okay, so as you may already know, you can't test your technology until you are within 10 minutes of your class. So we're going to press Settings. Always make sure that you are on your correct headset. I am using this Logitech headset, and I can see that the microphone is working. Make sure that your camera says CamTwist. I can even test this out by doing one of my other things, and I can see that that is showing up. Okay, and then we go to speaker, and that's working, and press confirm. I'm now getting ready for my pre-class slide. I've already got it up, and I'm just waiting around sort of now. If you look up in the top left corner, you can see right now it says VIP Kid Teach. That's what my screen has selected when I've pressed with my mouse. So I need to remember to press my preview header bar, and then I will see CamTwist in that top left corner. That's how I know that when I press my hotkeys or my shortcut keys, they're going to work. You need to actually be inside of CamTwist in order for that to happen. So it's just something to remember. Luckily, the preview screen sort of stays on top, but that's just something that you have to keep in mind. So now in terms of my hold screen, what I have as a preset is my countdown, and my countdown starts at 1 minute. So my shortcut key is number 1 for pre-class, and I literally wait until I see that it's almost 1 minute over in my class will start in, and I keep my finger hovering over so I can press it at the exact time that it says class will start in 1 minute. And then once I've done that, I press start class. Now the thing to remember is when you press start class, that makes you come on the screen. As long as I've pressed my pre-class, my face won't show up on the screen. It will only be my hold screen, but my microphone will be on. So I either have to mute my mic on here or I have to physically mute it here, and I have to remember to turn it back on as well. So those are just some things to keep in mind, but it's kind of nice where you've at least started the class, you're ready to go, and you have just a reminder to the student, I'm here, we're going to start exactly on time. We're not going to start early, we're not going to start late, we're ready to go. So now we're getting ready. pressing start class. Here it is on the screen. And I am going to turn off my microphone for when my student comes in. Turning back on my microphone. Hello, Oscar. How are you today? Good. How is the weather near you today, Oscar? Oh, it's sunny. Lucky you. Very nice. It was raining near me today. And today, when you do a good job, we are going to play a game called Jeopardy! Jeopardy! Yes, very good. Jeopardy is a TV show here in America where you answer questions and you win money. Pretty cool. Okay, and now let's do this one. Yep, that was perfect. Very good. Okay, let's play Jeopardy! Perfect. Very good. All right, let's continue playing our Jeopardy! What color and price would you like, Oscar? Green. We already did 100, so 200 or 300? 300. Yes or no? Very good, Oscar. Okay, now I am going to say some words and I want you to write them. The first one is plane. Plane. And remember, it has to either be an AI or an AY. Plane. Yep, very good. Okay, so now class is finished. As soon as you hit that finish button, you're good to go. He can't hear or see you because it's turned off. I can exit out of that, and I can exit out of my CamTwist. I can make this larger so that I can then do my evaluation. If you have a class back to back, that's fine. You can just close out of this classroom, open up your next classroom, and it's the same thing there as well. When I have multiple classes back to back, what I'll usually do is have all of my slides in different tabs and then just move them over for that next class. The one thing to remember is you don't want to make your computer go too crazy. So that's why I really love this planner, because if you have multiple classes per day, you don't even have to open up those tabs yet. You can just click on them, when you're ready to go, and it won't overwhelm your system. So I hope that helped. Like I said, feel free to ask any questions that you might have. Thank you.